Let's add a paragraph or a div. Let's add a div down here with an ID of details or stats. This is person stats after all. And I want the text to go there instead of the H1. Unfortunately, folks, we're out of time. So I guess you're just going to have to do it, suckers. That's right. It's homework time. Woo! Get psyched. I'm going to create a new file here called readme, all caps readme.md, md for markdown. I'll talk more about markdown later. And here I will put your homework assignment. Day 1 homework. Update the new, and I meant stats. I mistyped that in the morning too. Stats div with the value of the text input. Easy enough. I know you can do it. Don't have to change much. So we have some bonus credit. So what do we think of people who only do the bare minimum? So add the name to a paragraph inside the stats div. What? How the heck can we do that? Let's see what we can do here. Let's see. So now we've got Zach here, but what if we say, how about Seth? Let's put some HTML in here. Bachman. Yay. What did we change? We changed the text content. The text content is going to be text. So if you pass in some HTML, it's going to assume you want the text of that HTML. We could also say heading.innerHTML, which changes not just the text, but that means we can actually put HTML in there. So Seth, emphasis, Bachman. Aha. Yeah, so you can do that. So you can put HTML in there if you wanted. Pretty tricky. So yeah, add the name to a paragraph inside the stats div. But I can tell you guys are ambitious. You wouldn't stop there. That's why we need super mega bonus credit. Add another input to the form. That one's a boring name. Psh. And then maybe display the value of that input alongside the name in the div or the paragraph inside the div, or create a new paragraph inside the div. Do something with the input from that one too. The input will be in the same form. Don't necessarily need to listen for another event. Just need to do another thing. I know, too easy, right? So easy it's boring. That's why we need some super mega bonus credit hyper fighting. Change the appearance of the paragraph, think CSS, based on a value from the form. For example, turn the text blue if the user types blue in the form field. Now, I haven't taught you how to do that, but you're resourceful folks, aren't you? I bet you can figure it out. I bet you can use Googles. Remember, during the morning class, you can always go next door and work on your homework then and send us a message in Slack. We can probably come help you a little bit. Or you can do it tonight, whatever. But remember that that's there for you. So when the end of the week comes and we check and you didn't do any gosh darn homework, if you never even asked us for help, we're not going to be very impressed. So do your homework. If you get stuck, ask for help. Do it at a time when you know that help is available. You can do it, though. I believe in you. Believe in yourself as that dog believed in that cat, or vice versa. It was the cat who believed in the dog. I know you can do it. Whoops. We don't know about that. So add day one homework. Add day one homework. So there will be a link to this on the website once that's up, which should only be a few minutes. But I'm going to put this link in Slack right now. Wherever I put Slack. That's a link directly to my repository for this. You can see my code. And look, the README shows up right there on the page with the homework. So you go straight here. That's the code from the afternoon, including the README, which includes the homework. I know you can do it. I believe in you. All right, go in peace.